What's up, guys? I am Marcia Gonçalves and today I have my work with the Criticalbench. I have for you basic exercise with trampoline. But before your exercise, you need one instruction and one core tie and glute tie and shoulder back for one good position. Okay, first exercise is one basic exercise but very intense, work your legs and your glutes, is squat. Now you need to push and go. Glute back. Okay, now squeeze your glutes. One more time, go. It's good. 3 sets with 20 reps. Okay, for you now, 10 reps. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, good. 7, okay. 8, 2 more. 9, 1 more. Okay, now is similar squat, but now your push and more intense and bend your knees. Go. 10 seconds. Push, no jump. Push. Okay, side to side, relax. And now one exercise, work your abs too, is twist movement. Push. Good. Relax side to side one more time. And now, one more side to side movement. Push. Relax. One more movement, scissor. Relax. Okay, guys, it's my exercise for you. Bye.